Hey, I want to hop on here and do a quick video unboxing on this Fanntik Slim V8 Apex. So this is going to be a air duster and a vacuum. They do make one that is just the vacuum, I believe. So this one is an air duster. You can also use it as a small air compressor as well. So let's see what we got here. Super excited about this. I'm going to use this mostly for my desk and car, just to kind of clean some of those tight to get spots. Sorry for all the noise. But this is going to be a filter. Super nice. Looks like a bag. That's really nice. Nice. High quality bag. And then this is battery powered and it is USB-C. So let's see what we got here. This is going to be kind of the main tool. And right now we have the air blower and it's also sucking. So as you can see, you got different modes there. There's a vacuum. So super excited about this. We'll get some of these attachments out. Sorry, I'm just trying to go as fast as possible for you. It's an extension wand. This is going to be kind of for detailing cars. I've seen a lot of people put stripes in their car, in their oh, let's go the wrong way, in their, oh, this is the wrong way, there we go, in their upholstery. This is just microfiber, so there's nothing that I can show you on that. And then got another one here. I think this pops off, so depending on kind of what you're using. This is a rubbery, these are both rubbery. This is firmer. That's again the filter. Let's see what else we got here. USB-C charging cable, a cleaner right there. Another vacuum attachment with bristles. And this is going to be, thought there was a hole. This is going to be a hose to get into those tight to reach spots, like I said. And then this feels like it is an attachment for the air duster. I don't know if you can see that. Last attachment here. Last couple attachments. This is the air duster. These are all air dusters, and this is a nozzle. So I've even seen some people use it for like an air mattress. But super excited about this. This is going to be to change it out. Oh, it just pops open. That's sweet. So you can just dump it. Super nice. So yeah, super excited about this. I love the size. It's gonna fit in my desk drawer. That's what this is sitting on. It's kind of like a chest. But yeah, you can keep this in your car, keep it in your garage, and do whatever you need with it. So super excited about this. Looks awesome, very high quality. So thanks for watching. Good luck. Hey, real quick, if you're interested in what you saw here, I left links down in the description. And if you want more real reviews from real people that we use in our everyday lives, go ahead and hit that bell button, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.